Hello children, welcome to the class. Today also we will continue with the chapter The Making of a Scientist by Robert W. Peterson from the book Footprints Without Feet. Now today I'm going to explain the role of Ebb Wright's mother in making him a scientist and how Richard Ebb Wright displayed a well-rounded personality. So, the first question, discuss the role of Ebb Wright's mother in making him a scientist. Our parents help us a lot in our education. Their guidance is very important in what we become later. They play a key role in determining not just our behavior but also our future. Right guidance at the right time can be the strongest factor in man's success in life. Richard Ebb Wright's mother recognized his unsatiable curiosity and bright mind. She gave him direction and provided him with suitable environment for his research. She fueled his curiosity and encouraged his interest in learning. She furnished Ebb Wright with full potential. She became his best friend, motivation, and inspiration. She took him on trips, bought him telescope, microscope, cameras, mounting materials, and other equipments. She made up for the company that Ebb Wright lacked in his childhood. They did things together. If he did not have anything to do, she found learning things for his active and sharp brain. It was she who got him the book, The Travels of Monarchics. This book opened the world of science for Richard Ebb Wright. Her support and effort proved instrumental in his becoming an extraordinary scientist. Without the support and motivation of his mother, Richard would not have become a successful scientist. Now, the second question. Richard Ebb Wright displayed a well rounded personality. Elaborate. Richard Ebb Wright was a versatile personality. He was not only a man with scientific mind but also had interest for sports and other co-curricular activities like photography, debates, etc. His mother encouraged him to take interest in collecting butterflies, rocks, fossils, coins, astronomy, photography, mountaineering, and many other such activities. Since his childhood, he earned top grades in school. When he was in the seventh grade, Richard participated in a county science fair. Since then, he won a number of awards for his projects in county and international science fair. Science attracted him the most, but it was not his only passion. He was an active member of his school's Oratory Club and Model United Nations Club. He was an effective debater and a public speaker. He loved photography. He was an enthusiastic canoeist and an all around outdoors person. He became a champion in whatever he did. He had a spirit of learning and researching. Thus, he displayed a well rounded personality. Thank you.